Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Shoggoth by Oyoyo, a character art set of a girl in a long dress by Reira. Next we have an English translation of a popular Japanese game, Zeno Remake, a psychological horror puzzle-solving adventure game where you play as a genius and a homicidal maniac, both handcuffed to each other. They wake up in a mysterious place with their memories lost, and the goal is to help them escape. A pack of book icons by Batuhan Karagol, and another icon pack of bread and dairy products by Pixel Flag. Mr. Text Editor, a tool by Misterm that lets us type anywhere in a text file while the system adds spaces on its own. And lastly, a sprite of an industrial coffee maker by Gothic Void. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.